Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing and overview of Kingston Nucleum 7-in-1 USB-C hub. I've purchased this because my Microsoft Surface Go has only one USB Type-C port and I still need to use my other devices such as USB thumb drives, external hard disks, and my SD cards as well. So here's the device itself, the front, the back, and the USB Type-C connector. It has slots for microSD, SD card, USB 3.0, and USB Type-C. Another USB 3.0 port and USB Type-C charging port. Here's the HDMI port. Now let's try to connect this to my Microsoft Surface Go. And then we'll connect it to my external monitor. Now let's try to connect my USB external hard drive and my cell phone. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.